By and take a look at the 2013 Lincoln MKS. With standard features including an invisible keypad that senses your arrival, intelligent access keys that allow ignition at the touch of a button, and a power rear window sunshade, the Lincoln MKS is technologically breathtaking. Boasting a 3.7-liter V6 engine, it is also powerfully smart. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, active suspension system. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.